Millais-Thomson method. In this method, construction of analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv. So to construct when u or v given, real or imaginary part is given. So given u or v, u means real part, v is imaginary part. So first we need to find ux, uy. Understood? U suffix x means dou u by dou x, uy means dou u by dou y. Suppose v as given means imaginary part given means find vx and vy. Okay. After finding this, we have to substitute in the formula. That is, we have f dash of z is equal to ux plus ivx. Okay. Here we need to substitute the values. Here you can observe, suppose real part is given means vx we are not having. So for this we need to use the CR equations. What are CR equations? Ux is equal to vy, vx is equal to minus uy. These two are CR equations. After substituting this CR equations here, in the next step put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. This substitution is known as Millais substitution. Okay, this is very important in this step. After substituting this substitution, it reduced to the function of z. F dash of z reduced to the function of z. Afterwards, we need to integrate with respect to z. Then we will obtain the analytic function. Okay, we will solve the problem. I will take the problem. First one, v. Imaginary part as given. V is equal to e power x of x into sin y plus y into cos y. So, imaginary part is given. So, we need to construct the analytic function. So, first step, see the first step, ux, uy. V is given means vx, vy. So, dou v by dou x. Differentiating v partially with respect to x. So, here e power x and here inside this also x is there. We will apply product rule. So, e power x of, see, sin y is constant, x differentiation is 1, y cos y completely constant, it is 0, plus the next step e power x differentiation is e power x itself. So, x into sin y plus y into cos y. Okay, so dou v by dou x. In the next step, find out dou v by dou y. Differentiate v partially with respect to y. So, here no need of product rule because e power x is constant. Here x is constant, sin y differentiation is cos y plus. Here see y into cos y. Here we should apply product rule. So, y into cos y differentiation is minus sin y plus cos y into y differentiation is 1. Okay. So, the dou v by dou x, can we cancel? No, nothing. So, here what in the next step, second step is we have to substitute in f dash of z. We have f dash of z is equal to ux plus ivx. But ux means here only we are having v terms, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. But from CR equations, ux we can replace by vy. Vy plus I into vx. Okay. Here itself we have to substitute vx and vy. What I will do, I will just take the Millais substitution directly. Okay. So, vy is, this is the expression here. This is here I will substitute Millais substitution. That is, put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. Okay. So, see here vy. Vy is here, vy, this is the term. Here put x is equal to z means e power z of x is z into cos y is 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus y sin 0 is 0, same way y is also 0. So again cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Have it clear? Cos 0 is 1. So after this plus I into, see second term I vx. Vx is dou v by dou x. Here again we have to do the substitution, Millais substitution. Put x is z, y is 0. But you can see sin 0 is 0. 0 into anything 0 plus e power x is z but sin 0 y into 0. Completely dou v by dou x will get cancelled. I into 0. So f dash of z. So we are having f dash of z is f dash of z is equal to e power z of z plus 1. Next step, last step, we need to integrate this on integrating. On integrating both the sides, f of z is equal to integration of e power z of z plus 1 into dz plus c. So here we need to use by parts rule or Bernoulli's rule. This is u, this is v. So z plus 1 into e power z integration e power z minus z plus 1 differentiation is 1. E power z integration is e power z plus c. So e power z, if I take common, so z plus 1 minus 1 plus c. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So f of z is z into e power z plus c. This is the required solution, required analytic function. In this problem, no, independently they are not given u or v. Real or imaginary part is not given, but relationship between u and v. That is u minus v is equal to e power x of cos y minus sin y. So I will differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. So ux minus vx is equal to e power x, differentiation is e power x, and these two are function of y, so it is constant. So cos y minus sin y. So next, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. So uy minus vy is equal to, so differentiating with respect to y means x is constant, e power x constant, cos y is minus sin y is cos y. So I will call this as equation 2, equation 3. So after that you can see 2 and 3 we have to convert it into simultaneous equation by using CR equations. We have CR equations, ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus uy. So first one I will take the equation 2 as it is. I will take ux minus vx is equal to e power x cos y minus e power x sin y. For the equation 3 I will replace it uy is equal to minus vx, and then vy is equal to ux, so it is minus ux, which is equal to minus e power x sin y minus e power x cos y. So here by adding, I will adding plus ux minus ux get cancelled, minus vx minus 2 times of vx is equal to, here e power x cos y minus e power x cos y get cancelled. So minus 2 times of e power x into sin y. So 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Vx is equal to e power x into sin y. So we are having dou v by dou x. So we want y means I will differentiate integrating. This is dou v by dou x is equal to e power x into sin y. So by using this I can find out v. So that's what, on integrating both the sides, dou v is equal to integration of e power x into sin y into with respect to x. Okay, dou v by dou x. So on v is equal to, on integrating both sides, we got integration of e power x sin y dx, integration with respect to x. So it is sin y is constant, integration of e power x is e power x. So v is e power x into sin y. So after having imaginary part, we need to find out the analytic function, that is f of z is equal to u plus iv. But we are having only imaginary part. We can find out the real part by using the Milnes-Thomson substitution, that is f dash of z is equal to ux plus ivx. This is the formula. So here we are having v. So easily we can find out vx. So ux is equal to I into vx. But from CR equation ux is equal to vy. That's what I will replace it by vy. So vy, we have vy is equal to, see, with respect to y means e power x is constant, sin y differentiation is cos y. So now I will substitute here. So f dash of z is equal to e power x cos y plus I into vx. Vx means dou v by dou x, that is vx only, e power x into sin y. Now put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. This is Milnes substitution. Sin 0 is 0. So get cancelled. So f dash of z is equal to e power z into cos 0. In place of y put 0, cos 0 is 1. So on integrating both the sides, so f of z is equal to integration of e power, on integrating both sides, f of z is equal to integration of e power z dz. So plus integral constancy, integration of e power z is e power z plus c. This is the required analytic function. Okay, this is the solution. Thank you.